nigo charagire Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabuno maso chinga kingo kwaregania twe manyamangana maya asenchera yo wenge edita Dorcas Kemuma nigo tokubata nere Joshua Auta oyo kunyamanya asenchera yemanyirio abigenya nchama wakwena kingama yogine chibicha agwikire asenchera yo wikira nobako tobwate gwetera asenchera ye mitandao aso tunyora asensemo ya Facebook na Ndizi TV News Digital na asensemo ya YouTube na Ndizi TV News nabo igo asensemo ye website nyona www.ndizitv.net. Omorai wense Dr. William Ruto ritukorera ni gabekire SAE yokubwatrana egati yense ya Kenya amono bomobwe Chinsa cha Europe igoro yogo Kenya uchumi yense ya Kenya kagukwana chingaki aikirana ase omoyogoyo Ruto nigo atebrebna nigo okubwatrana uko osokubwatana uko korachi ko enekinga abaleme ngochi bale konyora engeria engia asebono korachi kuigora chinchera chogokora obonjoria egati yense ya Kenya amo nense ye gose Chinsa cha Europe ase boigo atabuna nigo abaremi bemeri abarachi konyora chichiro chokoira amatundao na boigo konyora engeria ere engia.
To witness the signing of the Kenya-EU Economic Partnership Agreement. This highly positive, historic, and transformative development is the culmination of highly committed engagements anchored by long-standing cordial ties between Kenya and the 27 countries which form the EU, both jointly and severally. This salient feature of these ties include such shared values and common multilateral objectives as a strong commitment to democracy and rule of law, respect for human rights, peace and security, as well as combating climate change. Under these conditions, our trade, investment, and people-to-people relations have ensured that our ties have inevitably grown stronger and closer and flourished over time. Our presence here has been made possible by years of consistent work towards the establishment of a permanent mechanism to underpin trade and investment and transform our mutually beneficial relations, broaden two-way trade, establish new investments, and add value to the items currently being traded between Kenya and the European Union. At the core of this arrangement is our aspiration to put real money into the pockets of ordinary people, farmers, craftsmen and women, fabricators, transporters, various other kinds of workers who contribute to the manufacturing, intercontinental transport and last mile delivery to consumers of various products that are a subject of the signing of this agreement today.
Omorai ase obomobwe Chinsa cha Europe no yomanyekana asla avondele yene nigatebrebuna kubwatana nense ya Kenya amone Chinsa cha Europe negento kirachi kwena na emirimo ase aba Kenya abange asikiri atebire okubwatana ko nigokorachi kokonya asensemo yobonjurelia egento kirachi kwena na chigasi gosikira chikorosia amabagaje chigasi asense to ya Kenya buna enchire moyo gosira aba Kenya aso kwenyorera engeri yabo nabo igo nigaterumna nigo era chikwene kinga ogokinya kwa uchumi ngo chikolego kina kubwatakana no korosiwa kwa mabagayo yechigasi
to produce, but that we do not compete, so that this is a fair agreement and a sustainable agreement. This agreement also represents countless new opportunities for Kenya's businesses, as I said, to scale up and to create good jobs. And for us, it is a precious contribution to our diversification strategy, For the European Union, it is very important to strengthen our supply chains and diversify them with trusted, like-minded partners. And Kenya is a trusted, like-minded partner. So we are deepening trade ties and we are building up our own economic resilience. So this economic partnership agreement is a win-win situation on both sides. Very important for us is also that whatever cooperation and trade we have together, that, as you've said, there's added value and creation of jobs locally. This is very important, that the raw product is not extracted and taken outside the country, but that the added value is created here, that the supply chain is built here to create good jobs locally.
Omuwaziri obw'ekisemi Ezekiel Machoguri tukorea rero niga bwatukire amabaga aria abarokiwa bekerasikia kyanda abarachikonyora chiskuru chabo nigo abatukire ama chiskuru chiri abarokiwa barachi kogenda omwaka ogocha omwaka 2024 kagokwana chingakikirana ase omoyegoyo ase skuru ya lenana nigo boigo abwatukire gekuru getinde goche asabarimo abanene be chiskuru chechisekondari ase bari bwate eke okugania kogo chikomenta chi school fees asikiri atebire nga serikali terigo chigwancha school fees ndeyonsi komento goche ase aborokiwa asikiri atebire nigo ase gekekeiga abayibori babwate omuzigo omonene ase gokonga kubukima nabo igomba gokwanchirana bune serikali ngana yo komenta besende yonsi ase aborokiwa gochigwanchireriwa ase nsemeyo ye wizara yechiseme asikiri atebire onde bwensi gose mwali monde bwensi oranyorekana ga komenta school fees ni garachi kumukirwa egetambukiro egetindi keri chiko ne serikali. Omowaziri w'Chinsa Chiskom Salia Mudavadi nigaegereire serikali ya Kenya kwanza igoro yo komentekana kwe ebango imeyense asekeri Mudavadi atebire buna ense ndeyonsi kerega nichiko gendera woika emente ebango naboigo woika naboigo esabe amadeni korwa ase Chinsa Chisiko bunario eranyale kogendera gosuka agochia amotwe naboigo nigateruna ense ya Kenya nigo agenderete mora igwensi ya Kenya nigagendete kurigereria naki aranyale korosia uchumi ya Kenya elio abantu ba Kenya guse abamenyi bensi ya Kenya banyale konyora omweso erinde igoro jogo konga kubogima obwo nabo igo nigo aterona nigo boigo ogosaba kwa madeni korachi kokiana ekero ensi ya Kenya eranyale gwetenerera yoka enyene.
Mambo sio rahisi. For any government in the world to survive and do development, there are usually two avenues. One, ni kutoza ushuru, taxation. The other one is to borrow, debt. Iko mbili tu. Hakuna ingine. Taxation ama borrowing. Sasa, wakati rais wetu alikuwa pale, he found a difficult situation. And a sovereign debt is a sovereign debt. Sasa tuwezi hangaika kusema ni nani aliweka sahihi. It is now a debt of the Republic of Kenya. It's a sovereign debt. So we can't blame too much. But now it is time to move forward. So the president is trying all his strategies kuhakikisha kwamba hii mambo ya kiuchumi na nini isitusumbue. He cannot continue borrowing forever.
Chinga kicho nigo Mudavadi boigo atebire buna ense ya Kenya nigo agenderete kwenekia amore kobeka omorembe egati ye Chinsa chonsi asorgongoro Afrika aseboigo atebire buna nigo ense ya Kenya ya sukire motwe asensemo ya magendero asikiringa nigo abantu abange basuire korenta enibo asenseto ya Kenya.
Hapa tuna hiyo katiba. Na tunataka mataifa zetu zingine ambazo ziko jirani pia wao wadumishe demokrasia katika mataifa yao. Hiyo ndio lengo letu. Na hapa pia kwa sababu ya hiyo hali ya utulivu, Kenya is a hub, not of just finance na nini. Kenya is also a hub, regional hub for the media. Hii Kenya kuna CNN, kuna Al Jazeera, kuna BBC, hata BBC, headquarter kubwa ya BBC katika Afrika iko hapa Nairobi. Reuters wako hapa. Ile wanaita Telegraph, New York Times, sijui Washington Times, Bloomberg, wote wako hapa. Na hiyo ni heshima kwa sababu wameona kwamba Kenya is a hub of democracy, a bastion of democracy, na ndio kwa sababu wamekuja hapa wote. And it is because of the leadership of this country. So, tunasema, let us support the president in fostering peace and the peace initiatives, and nobody should try and misconstrue or give the impression that Kenya is not for peace. Our president is very categorical, and he's already on the front line in pushing for peace all over the region. Kwa hivyo hii ni jambo la muhimu sana, na mimi nilikuwa nataka nisisitize ili tuende mbele tukijua we are stable on that line and there is no interference from anybody from here, and we shall not also allow Kenya to be a platform for other subversive activities. The president is very clear. He is standing for peace in this entire region.
Mawaziri baba waziri oyobo igore mawaziri bwe Chinsa cheseko Musalia Mudavadi nigaigereire chitaro chomorai wense Dr. William Ruto asekeri atebere buna chitaro chaya gocha ase Chinsa cheseko nigo chigendrete korenta amatunda ase enseto ya Kenya asekeri atebere na Bakenya no nyabakwe mulungani igoroje chitari cho nigo bono chaso ire korenta amatunda asekeri atebere na nigo abantu kubra Chinsa cheseko baso ire korenta enibo asenseto ya Kenya.
And neither can he tax forever. There has to be a balance. Na hiyo balance ndio anajaribu kuleta. Na ndio kwa sababu president amefanya juhudi ya kutembea katika mataifa mengi na kuzungumza na marafiki wake wengi so that he can restore confidence into the economy of Kenya. Watu waanze kuleta rasilimali na tuanze kupunguza mambo ya madeni na tuanze kuhakikisha kwamba hatimaye the level of taxation will be moderated. That is why this challenge is there. Na yeye amewahi ku attract almost 30 heads of state and government kukuja hapa in 1 year. 1 year, mwaka moja. My friend, hiyo si mchezo. Na wengine watakuja, na yeye atatembea. We have to encourage him, and we have to stand with him.
Tukotikana mwanchumuria norobotoro romo waziri baba waziri Musalia Mudavadi igoro ya uchumi ya Kenya gose igoro yetaro yomurai bwense ni gobono tugosika mutwe ase omo waziri bwense mo ya defense Adani Duale atebire buna ni gomurai bwense agendete goshugurikira amangana ya uchumi yense yeito ya Kenya asa tebuna niga abegete emerobiri oboikeranu yokana kinga enkogororale uchumi eyo agendete omochando asenseto ya Kenya asa boliri Abakenya amona barai bande korwa sense media yogopinga serikali kwa omorai bwense chingaki chinyororo chingaki agendete korigereria ngakia kobeka emerobiro yokwena kinga ngogusuya ne ari mangana yogokonga kubugima asa Abakenya chingaki chiga asebo igatebera bana nigo omorai bwense atabwatikirenga yogoche koboria oborai bwense omwa chingaki cha omwako 2027 asekeri atebere asigekeiga niga agaseine kobeka emirobiri yokwena kingango korerare Abakenya amagendrero.
Mtu wa kutishwa si William Ruto. I am telling them. Mimi ndo najua William Ruto. Wewe kutisha William Ruto. Atabadilisha Kenya. Mpende msipende. He will transform this country. Na rais hata hajali mambo ya 2027. Na mimi nakubaliana naye kwa sababu mimi ni Muislamu. Sisi hatujui kama tutafika, lakini hii miaka 5 amepata nafasi. We are telling the president, Mr. President, implement the housing plan, implement the universal health care, implement the security transformation. North Rift ikuwe salama, North Eastern ikuwe salama. Wakora wote cartels toa kutoka Kenya. Wakulima wapate fertilizer ya bei nafuu. Wafugaji wapate madawa ya bei nafuu. Watoto wetu wa university wapate ile new financing model yako. Rais tuko nyuma yako, usitishwe na hawa. Watu walianguka kura mara 5, wasikutishe. Unajua mara nyingine inanibidi niongee. Hata kama mimi ni waziri wa ulinzi, mara nyingine lazima niongee. Nikoona mtu anaongea kikumbavu kabisa, lazima umwambie this is not how Kenya should be. Leaders must be responsible. Leaders must watch their utterances. And please leave Mzee Moi out of your politics. Mulimsumbua ya kutosha wakati alikuwa kiongozi. Msimsumbue akiwa katika
Mwanjo murigere onoro mwereo bwa mangana maye asenchira yo wengengo wakarangambye munaso ko bwati Ndizi TV na bo bwanso bo Gusii twaringe na Joshua Auta oyone kingo kumanyiria asenchira yumanyereo iretariane Dorcas Kemuma na twabwata nere Apolinaris kama na boigo Abigail Nyanchama baine kinga amadogine chibicha agoikire asenchira ayo boikirano twara burigere yo bya Ndizi TV na bo bwanso bo Gusii.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bwo Gusii. Numwako yomohelire kurwa chikura chaherete ne serikali ye county ya Kisii inse y'umugabana umuske Paul Simba Arati nigabe kiremerubulyo ao yamagenderero wacyasaba menyi be county ya Kisii bono ritukoria Jumanne chitariki 19 gocha kirense yemo ya Marogoba igoika Chinsa isetonenu sucha butuko umugabana nigarabeli maseyemo asikinyumba cy'uburalia cyonse cyarogongoro wa Gusii iliyo kwerera ayikiranirie ebitango biryanyorire naboigo aliyarengete goikirania tware tariki yawo urigeriye Ndizi TV
Otakere wo bazi Simba netaye ogenda bunjali Simba netaye umatoge bwabura bu Simba netaye umatoge chache Simba netaye ale sauti mugirango